Okay, here we go. Unboxing the Millennium Falcon. Oh, take out the big box first. And let's see what do we have in here. Right. Looking good. Can you see it? It's a big Lego set. This is. Right. I haven't opened this yet, so this might take a while. Scissors, be back. There we go. Right. As you can see, this is the big mean Millennium Falcon. Not the original, because I didn't buy this till I bought this in 2022. But it's a big old Lego kit. And I've not opened it yet, so let's see what's in it. Right. So, boom, bum, bam. There we go. Get in there. I don't even know how you open this, to be honest with you. Have a look. Some tape down here. And here. Oh, and there's more here. Right. So there we go. All right. Can you see that? Yeah. Right. So, inside. Oh. Wow, so it all comes in. It's like 4 smaller boxes. 4 smaller boxes. And 5 boxes. And what's this? Wow. And the manual. Oh my God. Look how thick that is. Right. There's the manual. Oh, wow. That weighs enough on its own. Yeah. Right. So, and then stickers that must go on in different places. Right, so put that there. Let's have a look at these, what we got. She may not look like much, but she's got what it counts. So it doesn't seem to be anything to say what order we open these in. So should we just get one open? Let's see what's in it. Scissors. Here we go. I should have put on some Star Wars music, really, shouldn't I? Wow. Box 1. One. Four, 14, 15, 9 numbers. 15, 1, 15, 4, 1. Well, so we know what's coming. Lots and lots. Let's have a look in this one. See what's in this one. Whoa dear. Oh my going to take forever. You see it all? Whoa. Another one. Oh. 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 I'm on to it. So, what can you say? I mean, like, talk about kids' dream, eh? And Star Wars fans' dream. Now, I don't actually know. I've not really built Lego since my kids were little. I used to enjoy helping them. Whether I'm going to actually enjoy building this, I don't know. But wow, it looks like that's some work got to be done there. And there you have it. So that is what you get. Hello, Aura. Will you come to help, darling? This is my little buddy. So that is what you get in the huge Star Wars Millennium Falcon kit. So now I'm gonna have to make a start. I may post other videos with progress. They'll be a lot shorter than this. I'll show you. I'll just do quick short ones. Okay, see you later.